Let's take a look together how sparkling wine is made. Do you think these two bottles look beautiful and inviting to drink? The liquid is clear and has a lovely color, really tempting, right? Take a look at this one. It's from 2022, so it's been aged for 2 years already. See? The liquid is clear and beautiful like this. This one is also from 2022. It's a banana wine. Can you see the sediment at the bottom of the bottle? But does anyone know that this clear liquid here is actually in the process of becoming sparkling wine? The pig brought this to show you. It's a bottle of sparkling wine that's swollen. At this point, the bottle is swollen and can't be pressed down. See? The bottom of the bottle is pushing out like this. We've aged it for 2 years. Instead of getting water with chili leaves like this, it looks delicious. See? But sparkling wine has formed. Let's see what sparkling wine is like. Can you see it, friends? It's turning into sparkling wine. Can you see that? This is what sparkling wine is like, friends. When we open the bottle, there will be pressure. It will push the dust and sediment up. Let me ask you, is sparkling wine delicious and looks good to eat? Friends, let's pour it out and see. Doesn't it look drinkable? This is actually sparkling wine. I've already changed the bottle twice, so there's not much sediment left. That's why there isn't any sediment. If you ask whether you can drink it, yes, you can. You can drink it right away. With sparkling wine, when we open it, it usually pushes the sediment up as well. Can you see, everyone? It's fizzy because it's sparkling wine. When we open the bottle, it slowly pushes the air up, and it also pushes up the sediment and dust. It gradually brings up the sediment, so not all of it stays clear. With sparkling wine, instead of getting a clear, beautiful wine like this, after we've opened it for a while, you can see that it starts to push up the cloudy sediment. See? Now, let's look at the bottle we've aged, but without it turning into sparkling wine. Look at Aunt Moo's wine. It's completely clear like this. See? There's no sediment at the bottom of the bottle at all. During the racking process, I added potassium metabisulfite, which is used to stop the yeast. See? That's how we get wine that's this clear. And when bottling the wine, I also added potassium sorbate. Potassium sorbate is a yeast inhibitor. It prevents any remaining yeast from becoming active again. That's how we get wine that's this clear. Now, let's open it and take a look. There won't be any pressure or air being released at all. The wine will stay beautifully clear like this. Doesn't it look inviting? It's as clear as glass. Just like this. This one has gone through the process of adding potassium metabisulfite during the yeast stopping step, and potassium sorbate was added during the bottling step. This is how you get a clear white wine like this. When you open it, there's no air pressure coming up. Unlike this one, which has been open for quite a while, about 5 or 10 minutes, and you can see it slowly pushes up a layer of air. See? It gradually stirs up the sediment. If you compare them, you can really see the difference in clarity. This one had potassium sorbate added during bottling, but for this one, I didn't add anything at all. I wanted to film this comparison for you to see the difference between sparkling wine and clear white wine like this. It really depends on your preference. Group of friends as well.